Master Study in Structural Engineering. It is a completely on-the-job learning program offered by our structural consultancy firm, and we have designed and delivered projects worth more than 2000 crores so far. The tallest building we are designing here in India is up to G plus 62-story structure, and our founder and MD Mr. Sandeep Pingle, he's a passionate structural engineer and he has experience of designing up to G plus 81-story structure when he was working in Gulf. So basically, this training program which we launched is especially for those who are aspiring to become structural design engineers. And as you know, structural engineer is also known as a doctor of the building. We compare this line with doctors because as doctors need the judgment, in the similar manner, structural engineer will also need a judgment. It's a judgmental science and a niche field, and this requires 3 P's. The first P, of course, is passion. Second P is patience, and the third P is practice. So basically, what you need to start career in the structures line is a mentor from the industry who can guide you on the real projects. And only way to learn structural engineering, it can be on the job, which means hands-on learning experience. And at our platform in eConstruct office, we make sure that we give on-job learning wherein you will get exposure to work right from centerline plant to GFC. You will get exposure on RCC, steel, composite, all types of structures from India and abroad. You will become part of our team. You will work in team sometimes, and at times you will be expected to work independently to deliver the project. You will also get involved in generating technical reports and presentations. So this is very important skill which the client or your employer would be expecting you to have. Master Study in Structural Engineering is a completely on-job learning which will have 6 months of technical training followed by 6 months of internship. This training can be done in various modes as per your convenience. The best way to do this is to pack your bags and come to Bangalore to do a offline training. In the offline training, the funda is simple. You have to come once the office opens, go once the office closes. You will be punching, coming in the office, sitting with your laptop in the cubicles with our technical team and working on the projects. One of our engineer would be your reporting manager, and you will be involved in real projects right from start to end to gain real work experience. And it comes with 100% placement for those who have done the training properly right from start to end. If you want to know more about our placement record, check out the description box of this video. We have given a link for where you can see that where our students are placed. Apart from this, if you would like to know more about this training program, our website has complete details. Open the link given in the description box on your laptop or desktop for complete information, and don't hesitate to send your queries in audio or text message on the WhatsApp number given on the screen.